Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an amazing and profitable 1-minute pocket option strategy. This easy-to-understand strategy is based on two powerful candlestick patterns, the hammer and inverted hammer. We'll use them in a unique way that I'll clearly demonstrate in this video. Before we dive in, here's a quick but very important reminder. Trading binary options involves risk. Past results don't guarantee future profits, and you can lose your investment. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only risk money you can afford to lose. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future trading tips and profitable strategies. Your support truly helps me bring more valuable content to you. All right, let's jump right in. For today's strategy, we'll be using the Bollinger Bands indicator with a 12-period setting and a deviation of 2. This indicator helps us clearly identify the ideal conditions for our hammer and inverted hammer candlestick patterns. Here's exactly how this strategy works. We're looking specifically for two consecutive candlesticks, one bullish and one bearish hammer, or inverted hammer. We won't trade on a single candlestick pattern alone. We need both to appear one after another for confirmation. Here are the trading rules simplified. Set your chart to the 1-minute time frame. Set your trade expiry time exactly to 1 minute. Look for two consecutive hammer or inverted hammer candlesticks. If you see one bullish and one bearish inverted hammer above the Bollinger Bands middle line, immediately take a sell trade on the very next candle. If you see one bullish and one bearish hammer below the Bollinger Bands middle line, immediately take a buy trade on the next candle. I know these exact patterns are rare, but don't worry. Later in the video, I will show you real-time examples of similar setups that work just as well. A few quick tips for maximum success. Trade during the European and New York sessions for clearer trends. Avoid trading during major news events to steer clear of sudden market moves. Always practice first on a demo account to gain confidence and understanding without financial risk. You'll find more detailed instructions and Bollinger Band settings in the description box below. Now let's jump straight into the exciting part, live trading. Watch closely because I'll explain every trade clearly, giving you valuable insights to become a better trader. Don't skip ahead. Every trade counts. Are you ready? Let's start trading now. All right, traders, take a close look here. As you can see, the price is currently below the middle line of our Bollinger Bands indicator, and we've clearly spotted two hammer candlestick patterns forming above the lower band. The first hammer candle is perfect. Just a small wick at the top, exactly what we want. The second hammer is a bit unusual, I agree. But remember, in real trading conditions, you won't always find picture-perfect patterns. If the candle looks close enough to the ideal pattern, it can still be a valid setup. That's what trading is about, being flexible and smart. Now, based on this setup, I'm going to enter a 1-minute buy trade on the very next candle. Let's find out together if this trade gives us a profit or loss. Keep watching carefully because every trade gives us valuable lessons. Yes, we got a nice profit on this trade. Now let's take a look at this new setup on the chart. Here, the price has closed below the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, which is exactly where we look for a buy trade opportunity in this strategy. We can clearly see two hammer candlestick patterns have formed. One is bullish and the other is bearish. Now, let's talk about the quality of these candles. Both hammers don't have wicks at the top, and that's actually a good sign. The lower wicks are visible and decent. The candle bodies are a bit thicker than usual, so they're slightly abnormal, but still close enough to our required setup. In real market conditions, patterns won't always be perfect, but when they match most of our key rules, they can still be considered valid setups. That's why we're treating this as a buy signal. All right, the trade has been placed. Now let's patiently watch the candle movement. Yes, another winning trade using this strategy. This just proves that even slightly imperfect setups can work beautifully when they follow the main rules of our strategy. Now let's take a look at this setup on the chart. Right now, the price is closing right at the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, or just slightly below it. Here, we've spotted two inverted hammer candlestick patterns. One is bullish and the other is bearish, and both are looking very close to the ideal formation we use in this strategy. Both candles have small bodies and long wicks at the top, exactly what we want to see. The second candle has a tiny wick at the bottom, but it's very minor, so we can still consider it valid. Even though the candle has closed slightly below the middle line, the overall pattern looks strong and clear. So based on our rules and confidence in this setup, I've entered a 1-minute sell trade. Let's now see how this trade performs. Will it bring us profit or not? Keep watching. This is where we learn the most. Remember, this strategy is not just about pattern spotting, it's about understanding price behavior and market psychology behind the candles. The candle is forming. Price is moving downward. And here we go. Another successful trade in the bag. This trade once again shows how powerful this strategy can be, especially when used with a sharp eye and proper rules. Even if the price is a little above or below the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, if the pattern is strong and clear, you can still take the trade with confidence. Focus on candle structure, wick direction, and location on the chart. Always trade in good market conditions and avoid trading during major news events. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a winning strategy. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I love helping you all grow in your trading journey. Thanks for staying till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused, trade smart, and keep learning every day. Happy trading!